Hey friends, this is Rob Robson, and I am so proud of all of us for making it through what was quite a crazy year with 2020. And I am so confident that 2021 is going to be a breakout banner year for millions of us. And here's what I'm looking for. I'm looking for an accountability community, a mastermind of thousands of us that have made a decision to move forward, get out of the political garbage, get out of the COVID-19 garbage, get out of all of this and focus on the future. That's what this Saturday is going to be about. We're going to have a workshop. I've been doing this every year for the last 5-6 years for free. It's a 90-minute, very specific workshop, not a seminar. In fact, you need to register because I'm going to send you PDFs that you need to download, print off, and have pen ready to put to paper to map out 2021. My life has been completely blessed because of learning from incredible mentors on how to set clear and specific goals. Yeah, and there's really 7 steps. You've got to get clear, you've got to get confident, you've got to get excited, focused, committed, create a game plan, and then you have to have a plan, do, check, adjust system of accountability, and that's where you come in. We're going to all work together. So we have the English Saturday, 1 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. Spanish for all my Latin America friends and Spanish-speaking friends, that'll be Saturday at 4 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. And there's different links for the English and for the Spanish, so make sure you get the right one. And register, get in there right away. Space is limited. There's only so many seats on the platform, and we definitely will be full. So register right away, and I'll get you that PDF. Let's work together, be accountability partners, and create magic in 2021. Thanks. See you then.